Students, in this lecture, we will discuss the applications or the uses of the organ bath. Now, what are the other terms that are used for the apparatus organ bath? This is also known as the organ chamber, organ bath, isolated tissue bath, and previously it was called as the gut bath. Now, why this is used? Definitely, this is the apparatus that is used to study the effect of the drugs on isolated tissues. It can also used to study the normal physiology of the tissue. But for this apparatus, you have to maintain the oxygen supply that is oxygenated with the carbogen, and you have to use the physiological salt solution that are PSS. For example, you can use the thyroid solution or the lactated Ringel solution depending on the tissue that you have isolated. Then you have the organ bath, in which this is the apparatus you have to provide the controlled environment to that particular tissue. You have to provide the controlled temperature to the tissue. You have to make assure that there is proper supply of the oxygen in order to keep the tissue alive. Now, what are the applications of the organ bath assay or the organ bath itself? We will discuss this assay in the next lecture. Basically, this is the apparatus that is used to study the in vitro dose response experiments. In vitro means outside the body. So you have to study the organ by using the organ bath in this assay. So you will apply the drug on the tissue that has been isolated, that has been extracted from the different species. For example, it can be from the chick, toad, rabbit, rat, or the guinea pigs. Then you will apply the drug on that tissue. Then you will see the response on the graph, that is on the chymograph. Now, basically, you can study the normal physiology as well. You can study the physiology of the tissue as well. You can study the effect of the drug on particularly isolated organ as well. Now, what are the most common applications? The most common applications include the studies of the or the assays which are used in the cardiovascular research. You can study the effect of the drugs, or you can study the physiology of the isolated aortic ring, heart tissues, are the arteries. Then you can study the effects that are commonly studied in our labs, in pharmacology lab, in PharmD. You can study the effect of the drugs on the gastrointestinal tract, more precisely on the ileum or the colon. Now, what are the other applications? You can study the respiratory effects as well. You can study the effect of the drugs, or you can study the physiology of the isolated tracheal ring. You can have study on the phrenic diaphragm preparations, then pulmonary arterial smooth muscles, and even the lung parenchyma. Now, what are the other organs that can be studied? These are the urinary bladder, penile muscle strips, and the prostate. So students, this was all about the applications of the students' organ bath.